for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision.
He's put us, Tony's off to do the fenders, he's put us on a course. We've just left Cambrils and are heading for Vinaros, which is 7 to 8 hours today we'll be doing. It's a beautiful sunny day, bit of a breeze but not enough to sail, so we're motoring again. Do you want me to move?
Yeah, right.
There's the big ball fender needs to come in one. Good job you thought about that. I'd forgotten about them this morning. Okay.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah. Everything's good.
You what?
No lines in the water or anything?
No.
No.
We're all there.
It's an absolutely gorgeous day today.
It is.
Charm.
Well, apart from a couple of days, there's going to be a bit of rain. It's forecast to be absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Temperatures in the 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely today. We booked it the other day and we didn't hear from the port last night
Well,
until late.
the office was due to shut in Vinaros
Yeah.
at 6 and we heard at 10 to 6, otherwise we would have had to stay where we were till we'd have heard off them, because you
Yeah.
can't just turn up and expect a berth. So, yeah.
So I went to the office and said we'll have to confirm in the morning. So she said okay. Then when I came back there was a ping and
Yeah,
we got the booking.
but it's all good.
Confirmation, yeah.
Moved
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, it's a lovely day. There's a bit of wind and it's on our nose and again. So once we get on the next one.
What are you up to, Mr. A?
I've just changed course on the autopilot because we're heading towards a big marker that's significant because it's signals for the end of the cable. There's lots of rocks, so we have to go around it. So it's about, I'd say 7 miles away now.
Yeah. We could go inside it, couldn't we?
Yeah, but
But
I'd rather go on the outside.
yeah. Safety first.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's it.
Don't know if you'll be able to hear us very well because the wind's got up a bit, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it has, yeah.
And it's a bit bouncy.
It's quite a cool wind as well.
Yeah, it is now. It was lovely before.
Yeah, there's a bit of a swell on.
Yeah. Can't see your face, hun.
No.
You're hidden behind the wheel.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we've got, what, about another 3 hours to go?
Something like that, yeah.
But that's because we've slowed down, haven't we? Because the
Will be,
wind's
yeah.
against us and the sea's quite big.
Well, no, it's not big.
Not big, that's an exaggeration, but it's not
It's
calm.
the waves that are on the beach.
Yeah.
They're not big waves, they're just it's very short fetch. There's lots of waves in short time.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few white caps now, isn't there?
There is.
Once we get that foresail on, the mainsail sorted out, we can start sailing, then we'd have been flying today.
Well,
We'd have been doing more than 76 knots, I know that.
just what it is at the moment. isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. We'll get sorted.
Yeah. And little Fred's down here. He's just had a drink of water.
bit of siesta.
I'm having a bit of a snooze.
So we've just arrived in Vinros. So this is the marina. So we've just entered the marina, got all tied up. It was a bit tricky to moor because there was a bit of wind on the bow. So we're on the pontoon now and we're going into town.
See what's what.
So it's a nice blue sky. Sun setting over there. So we're just going to have a wander into the town if we can find a town.
It's meant to be a lot right outside the port, so.
Yeah. So the wind's actually dropped now since we're in. Now we're in. Typical, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, we were going to film coming in, weren't we? But
Yeah.
we just had to totally forgot with everything that was going on.
Yeah. So we're finally in anyway. Yeah, it's a really cheap marina.
With what, 14 metres?
Yeah.
And it's €31 a night, and that includes electric and water, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah, so it's a really good price. So facilities, they're alright. They're clean and tidy.
Bathrooms are nice.
Yeah, they are.
Nicest we've
And they're
been to,
warm.
actually, and
Yeah.
they're warm.
Yeah, good showers. So,
We're here for a week, aren't we, to order
yeah,
the
and that building over there, that structure over there is a bull ring.
It's not used anymore.
Not used anymore, I think it's more used for concerts and things apparently, so that's what they're saying anyway. So yeah, you come up these steps and quite nice actually.
An anchor in the floor.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's an anchor on the floor, yeah.
And then lights that might be in the
Yeah. Lots of nice palm trees.
town itself doesn't look very inspiring so far.
No.
But we're here to do the jobs and not here to. Looks like into town.
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
What?
What do you want to eat?
Don't know.
Hey?
So this is the nicest bit of town so far. And we're looking for somewhere to eat.
Sounds a bit more enthusiastic than.
We've had we've only had a sandwich all day. Cheese and ham sandwich. And that was it.
Get the mayonnaise.
Cheers, mate. So there's bars and restaurants here, bad looks of things.
Not sounding very enthusiastic.
What?
You sound like really pissed off.
No, I'm not pissed off at all. I'm pleased we're here. Yeah. Climbing frame for adults and kids. I don't think there'd be adults on a climbing frame, would you?
It's not looking very open.
It's not, is it? Looks fairly fermé. So, a street lined with palm trees.
Why are you wanting pizza?
Yeah.